Hi, I'm Rich. Welcome to Rich's Slot Car Room. Welcome to Tyco Tuesday. 240Z. This chassis is Tyco Pro. It was made from 72 to 74. 71 to 74. Something like that. 73. This one here is 73. Has the white boots on it. Pretty cool car. Bring it around here and we'll check the bad boy out. If you're not subscribed, appreciate if you would. It's free. Doesn't cost you nothing. Zero. Yes, sir. There she is right there. Wht-Red. Some blue stripes on it. Number 3. 240Z. Couldn't really tell you what year it is. I have no clue. I'm not a Nissan fan. Yeah, let's put her on a dyno. See how she runs. Well, if I can hold it correctly. 270. 280? No. There's here, 280. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Let's look this bad boy up in the book. There she is right there. Number 19. Number 19. 73 to 75. Tyco Pro, Tyco Pro, Tyco Pro 2. I have the Tyco Pro. 8813C. Availability is a 3. Number 19. Red, white, number 3. The 18 is the blue silver, which I've already done. It came on a Tyco Pro from 72. Now, those are buttons. Those aren't Tyco Pro. That's a Tyco Pro 2 chassis. And those are white boots, which come in 73, which on 73 only. And the only thing they made in 73 was a Tyco Pro, not a Tyco Pro 2. So this car here is completely wrong. And this one here is a Tyco Pro. It doesn't have the white boots. So obviously this car had to be made in 74 because the 73 would have the white boots. But there you go. And we had her going, what, 280? Not too bad for a Tyco Pro. I'm going to take her apart and put some Novus on the body. Still got that little sticker in there that Tyco put underneath them. Normally I'd oil it up and put it on a dyno, but as you've seen, it doesn't run on a dyno unless I hold it down. No sense in putting it on there. This computer is really starting to tick me off. This is the third time I've made this video. The first two times there was something wrong and I couldn't figure it out. it was doing an update. Yeah, so I paused the damn updates. So it just now told me it needs a new Intel graphics update. Yeah, runs pretty good. I'm going to try and fix these. Okay. We need to bring this one back up a little bit. There we go. Let's try this. Okay, let's put a little oil on it. We got 280 out of it again. Let's put a little Earl on it. So we know these things will run properly on a dyno by themselves if the shoes are adjusted right. So let's just put a little Earl on it. There we go. Only hit 280 the first time. Let's see if we hit. There we go, 280. Not too bad. Well, let's take this bad boy over to the dyno and see how she runs. I should say the track and see how she runs. All right. Well, we know these white boots don't have the same height as the black silicones. They're not made correctly. If we continue to do that, I'll have to put the black silicones on it to get it to go. Then we'll just put it in the, back up on a shelf with the white boots on it. I'm kind of wondering how it'll run with black boots on it anyway. I'm going to put you on pause and put black boots on this car. A lot smoother. A lot smoother. Yeah, way better. Yeah, they're a little bit taller. I think he made a mistake making the white boots. He didn't make them tall enough, and every car I try to run with those on does not run that well. It's still a little ass happy, but it doesn't sit there and spin everywhere like it was. Maybe on this hill over here a little bit, but that's about it. This thing runs real nice. It's a little loose in the rear end, but that's the way it was back then with T-Jets and Tyco Pros. Had to drive it. Yeah. Not sure how well you can see that. First video I've made, this one right here, with the new slot car room, decorated the way it is. Put the old white boots back on here. Yeah, pretty cool car. Hope you liked it. Leave me a message and tell me what you think of it. And I will answer all comments. Always do, always have, always will. Pretty cool car. Yes, sir. Alright. Appreciate you guys coming in, checking out the video. And like I said, leave me a comment, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hit the bell, get notified. You know, if you're notified, you noticed last week I did not do any videos, Tuesday or Friday. I took me a break. Wasn't feeling that great. Still ain't feeling that great. But yeah, getting over it. Got about 10-12 inches of snow outside. Yeah, today's Sunday. Snowing all day. You guys are getting this Tuesday, so should be dug out by then. And appreciate you guys coming in. And yeah, I will catch you guys on the flip side later.